can't expect such an aggressive male to be a caring father. Yet one male stays behind to watch over not just his own, but everyone else's offspring. The females laid their eggs in the shallows around the margins of the pool. But the sun is intense, and the shallows have shrunk to a single pool. There's a real danger that the tadpoles will be stranded. The guardian male recognizes the problem. They will be dead within an hour unless he can do something to help. There is only one thing he can do to save them. Dig a channel to the main pool.